Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will unbox and review the KZ Dude for you guys. And here is the KZ Dude, a new popular from KZ. So let's unbox it. So I am very excited for this one because of many reasons. The recent two IMs from KZ were very good, but I really want this one to be an excellent performer because you can see that this looks very beautiful, and its design is also very different from regular KZ IMs. So it is available in two colors. One is white and the second one is transparent, which I have. Oh, it feels a little heavy. So what is this? What kind of ear tips are these? So they have provided only 3 of them. Okay, 4. Well, actually I have never seen anything like this before, so I will try it and then I will tell you how do they sound with ear tips and without the ear tips, because these earbuds can be used without the ear tips as well. And I will provide you the discount code so that you can buy it at cheap price. So the discount code will be in the description, so must use. I hope it does sound good, but as far as the design and look is concerned, it is absolutely brilliant. It is very excellent. So let me test it and then I will come back with my first impressions and sound review. Welcome to my review section. So friends, I have properly tested this earbud and now I'll share my opinion with you guys. I am really impressed by it. You can see my recent 2 reviews of KZ products on my channel, which were KZ Creo and KZ Gale. I like both these products, but I call them the best. But calling a KZ product impressive is really different. So I call this earbud an impressive product from KZ after a very long time. And I saw a review of some highly qualified reviewer, and he said that this product mostly aligns with the characteristics of an IM, but I do differentiate. I think it's very different from regular KZ IMs, and the sound was more airy, more detailed, and more bassy, and more deep bass was involved here, and there was softness and smoothness in it as well, although there is some sharpness, but it is not that kind of which may hurt you. So it was really good for me, and I would rate it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Most importantly, without the ear tips, this product is not going to sound good, like it is worse actually. But after putting the ear tips, the sound was just majestic. It was very good. But still you can see that I haven't given it 5 stars rating because the competition is very tough. But 4.5 is also very good, very impressive, and it is a blind item to buy. Another thing which you also need to know, that you can see that the ear tips looks weak to me, and you can see that there is only one type of these ear tips included in the product, so that's also very not good. Like, I think I needed one more of these ear tips because now I liked it and I will use it, but I am afraid that these ear tips can be damaged. But anyway, the shell is a little heavy, like it is not lightweight. You can see that there is a proper work done. Another thing is that its microphone quality is also very good. You can see that this is a very big mic, two-sided mic, and the quality is very good. Like, I can't share the audio with you right now, but whatever, the sound is very good from its microphone. I really like it. So this is also a plus point, and it has a lot of detail in its sound quality, and I like its sound. So I think you should buy it, but must remember, like, if it's right now, if its price is 28 US dollar, I will provide you the discount code in the description, and then you may buy it in 25 actually. So try to save. After a very long time, that I am actually impressed with KZ products. Actually, KZ products are never bad, they are always good, but calling them impressive is very difficult. So this one turned out to be very impressive for me.